A very good morning from Fuerteventura. I'm after my morning run, and in this video I'm going to show you how much you will need for a day here in Fuerteventura. I will do lots of different activities, etc. I'm going to shop to buy a breakfast first, and then I will decide. I'm not really sure about weather today. We might have a kalima, which is like a storm, sandstorm. So I will see. So far it looks good, but I may adjust my program. We will see. Let's go. Vamos.
Hi travelers, I am Matt and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
I'm in front of Hiperdino, here in Coralejo. I'm going to buy some breakfast. Let's check the price here. What they have. I think I will buy some just pastry or something like that, and maybe some snack for later on. I don't need a water because I have free water in my hotel. You can check my review if you want. It's really actually helpful, and they also have like sparkling water for free as well, which is amazing. There is like a fountain, and you just need your bottle. Lots of different yogurts, some discounts. My favorite coffee, but I already got coffee. I have that in my apartment, so I'm not going to buy a coffee. Maybe later on. Oh, I had this salad in my previous video in Gran Canaria, and it's cheaper here. Definitely, it's cheaper. Wow. I got just 2 croissants. It will do for today. I have a coffee, actually for this morning, not for today. And it was one just for 39 cents. Excellent. Wow. So really cheap. So far, I think actually Fuerteventura is cheaper than other Canary Islands, especially in shops. If you're buying grocery, etc. I'm not really sure about the restaurant. I will check it later on. But shops like Hiperdino compared to other Hiperdino in Gran Canaria or Tenerife, it's cheaper. Yeah. I decided to go to El Cotillo and see this lighthouse. It's really windy today. We don't have a storm yet, but it might come later on. Around here, around the lighthouse, it's free. So far I spent just money on a breakfast and my car. It is around 25 euros per day. You can have some cheaper car if you want. It's up to you, but I prefer Citar. So yeah, there is some cheaper. So you can get cars like for even 12 or maybe even 10 euros per day. Check the waves. Wow. We are in actually yellow weather warning, so nobody is surfing here at the moment. Usually you can see lots of surfers, but yeah, not today. We have some information here about the lighthouse Faro del Tostón. Oh, there is a rainbow. I don't know, guys, if you can see it. Over there. Nice. El Cotijo. I'm going to check the beach here. Double check. All right. Let's go. This is one of the nicest beaches here in Fuerteventura, and it's really family friendly, but not today, it's so windy. But if you have kids, it's really good because water is shallow. There is no that many waves. As you can see, it's pretty calm here, even today. The sand is amazing. And there is also a lifeguard on duty in this part. You can have some snack. There is a restaurant nearby, and also behind the building is restaurant as well if you want some snacks or drinks. Wow, as you can see, the sea is really rough today. But nice for a walk. Yeah, it's really nice. There is a viewpoint. Some restaurant here. I'm not sure if it's open. Probably not. Maybe it's too early. I made it to the viewpoint, and guys, it's stunning. Oh wow, check this. It's really windy. It's still hot and warm, but it's lovely. Wow. It's beautiful. Let's go and check other side. If you want, you can come here by car. Here is a parking space. Oh, small port here. Nice. I'm in the shop and going to buy my addiction coffee. Yeah, in this small shop it's more expensive, but anyway, I will take a big one with protein. That's 3.25. Hola. Con tarjeta. Un momento.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Gracias. Ciao. I have a coffee and I'm going back to the car and drive to Coralejo. I am back in my hotel. I need to do some work, but I think I'm going to get some drink. I got white wine in a paper cup, but it's fine because I'm sitting by the pool. So they're giving like normal glasses just in a bar. That's absolutely fine. It was €3 and pretty decent actually. Let's try it. I'm going to check this cute store. I love it. I was here before and it's amazing. They have lots of nice stuff. Let's go. I got really cute bracelet there in a shop. It was $3.90. I really like it. It's so cute. I'm going for a dinner in my hotel, Surf Color Coralejo. They do like Wednesday dinner. They don't do dinner at all, but it's special dinner on Wednesday, paella night with sangria for 10 euros. Wow. There is a live music as well. Let's go check it. I'm so excited. It looks delicious and portion is actually huge. Wow. I'm so happy. Dinner for 10 euros was absolutely excellent. Live entertainment, wow. Really, really good. We enjoyed that. We actually couldn't even finish our paella. It was a huge portion, lots of meat, lots of seafood, vegetables. Wow, delicious. I think you can come here even if you are not a guest. It's always in a Wednesday. I'm not sure if they do it in summer months, but definitely for winter they do it in a Wednesday. You can come and ask in reception if you want. And now I'm just going to grab some jacket and go outside for some drink or something. I will probably check Music Square. There is always something going on. And maybe I will have some drink or something. We will see. We had some amazing drink here. Sorry, I forgot to record that. It was a little bit more expensive than usual, but drinks are fancy here. I think it was around 10 euros per drink. Yes, mine was definitely 10 euros. But it was really nice, good atmosphere, everything perfect. So if you're looking for something different, not like usual drinks, go there and you will have a fun. That's it from today. I think you probably know it's not really expensive here. It's fine. It's up to you. Yeah, of course, if you want to have it expensive, you can have it expensive like everywhere else. So that's it for today. Take care, stay safe, and see you later with another adventure. Bye bye.